Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel UGC Net Comments Gyan Group. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about the Vedas. What is Vedas, different types of Vedas and relevance of Vedas in day-to-day life. So let's quickly discuss. Okay, the first concept in this series is the Vedic tradition. The term Vedic is basically derived the words from Veda. Veda means knowledge in Sanskrit. So basically, knowledge, ancient knowledge about human life, universe, nature, medicine, yoga practices, astronomy, and mathematics. So Veda is basically a guiding principle of human life, right? So, and we can say Vedas, it's basically these are the foundation of Indian spiritual, philosophical, and cultural traditions. And basically, Vedas basically help us to preserve our ancient knowledge about our religion. So, in short, or in other words, we can say Vedas are a collection of ancient hymns, rituals, philosophical discourse which are written in Sanskrit language. And we have basically four type of Vedas. So one of the oldest Veda is we have a Rig Ved, then we have Samved, Yajurved, and Atharved. So these Vedic knowledge is during that time, this was passed orally from one generation to other generation, right? So, in short, Vedas, it's basically a knowledge about human life, about its universe, about nature, medicine like Ayurveda, how to cure from different diseases, and yoga practices for meditation, mindfulness, different types of meditation practices to have a good control on body and mind. And astronomy, like exact planetary positions, in detail, we have seen a lot of hymns which is dedicated to astronomy, which talk about the distance between the sun and earth or the speed of light. Yes, and mathematics, the different hymns is dedicated which talk about the exact value of pi up to a 36 decimal. So Vedas, it's basically a knowledge which talk about our religion practices, about rituals, about the ethics, like the role and responsibility of an individual by the concept of dharma, or Vedas are covered, the various aspect of human life.